up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just remembered that I hadn't swatched these Five Below polishes for you guys because a couple people have asked me and I just keep forgetting, so I decided I will do that. And also I want to swatch find it, some of the ones that I've used, like this one, just so I can know, or if someone wants this color when I'm doing their nails. But the couple that I got from the beauty supply there, and I want to do that one. And I think that is it for now. So I was going to use my matte. I probably still will if I swatch any that are too light, because the only swatch sticks I have with me right now are my pink ones. And I don't know how well some of the lighter colors will show up on these. So just in case they don't show up that well, I will swatch them on the nail practice mat that I make. I usually have them posted on eBay for sale. I sold the last couple I had up there, and I have not posted any more yet, but I need to because I'm probably missing out on some sales. So when they're posted, you guys will know. So I need 7, 8, 9, 10. Clip it back together. Alright, so I think I'll start, since this is in a box, I'll start with these here. And I have a little Sharpie marker, and I'm going to write the names in the, oh, my cord is in the way. I'm going to write the names and the colors on. So, let's see, Revlon. I'm going to do Revlon Snap. I only have one. The color She's on Fire, but it's kind of long to write unless I do it on the back. I'll do Kiss, Quick, Dry. This one I can probably fit. Blue, Who? What's this one? Highlighter. And then when I do these, I'll probably just put I'll just put Smoke&Mirrors on these for this set. I think Smoke&Mirrors or Five Below. So this I haven't used yet. Super cute. This is one of the ones that I got from the CVS video, Walk Down the Polish Aisle with Me. This is the one that I picked up that day. I don't have many colors like this, so I went ahead and picked this one just to have something different. Let's see. This is the little cap. Let me shake it up. What I like about these is that these are one coat and vegan. So it says good in one coat. I don't know how it's going to work on this though. Let's see. Oh, it is nice and thick. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a one coater. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it has a great shine. Yeah, it's nice and thick for sure. Wow. Okay. Now, I wish I would have picked up a couple more the other day when I just went and showed you guys the new location CVS. I didn't pick none up because I hadn't tried this yet, swatched it, nothing. So I wasn't sure. I hate this sticker being on here. I'm gonna have to take that off. But alright, so this is Kiss Quick Dry Blue Hue. You guys have seen in my couple of shorts videos. It's really pretty, sparkly blue. 2 coats of this. I have a, oh no, you guys may not be able to hear me. I just thought about that. You guys probably couldn't even hear most of what I was saying. Or that annoying fan sound is going to be in the background. Sorry, y'all. Totally forgot to turn that off. It's like the 3rd, 4th video I did that. Alright, I'm going to go over it again. From the top. This is so pretty. A little bit more. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Alright, stick that one over there. That kind of go good. Isn't this like a football colors? What is that? Bears or something? I don't know. Alright, so next I'm going to try the Kiss Quick Dry Highlighter. I haven't swatched or used this one yet either. This is really pretty. I really want to put this color on my toes mostly. So bright and pretty. Alright, so we have all 3 of these done. So I'm going to go ahead and open these. Alright, this is like a really light, super light blue. Very light. Almost can't see this one. This one probably would need at least 2 to 3 coats if you wanted to show up a little darker, you know. Almost looks like a gray, but I think it's light blue. Alright, one down. This, did I use this one? I think I used this one and this one. Oh god. I used these 4. I haven't used these yet. This color is really, really pretty. I used to not be into these colors much before, but over time I gained to like them. Like, I think I tried one and I loved how it looked. I didn't think it was going to look good on my skin, and I loved how it looked. So pretty. Now this is probably going to be thin like this one. They're really pretty, like shimmers. I like that. That's really pretty. The formulas are not too bad on these. The formulas are not bad so far. They're actually pretty good. That's nice. This one's really pretty. I really love this color. This is a great, great fall color. I think these 2 look good together. These, so pretty. you guys, so all of them are swatched, and like I said, I think the formulas are pretty good. The colors are pretty. So I would say if anyone said, you know, what do you think about the Five Below Smoke and Mirrors collection? Is it worth it? I would say yes, because you get so many for just $5, and they're great colors. I mean, even if you use them for just toenail polish or stamping or doing some nail art, you can't go wrong. So yeah, I'm happy with the way the formula is so far. I really like the colors, and like I said, for $5 you can't beat it. So yeah, they all look really pretty. Even look at the sparkle in them. And then these are my other three, the 2 Kisses and the Revlon. Alright, you guys, that's it. I just wanted to go ahead and swatch those for you guys. Sorry that these ones took a while. I just kept forgetting about it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, remember to give it a like. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, honey, and turn on your notifications so you will be one of the first to notify when I have a new video up. Bye, y'all.